say you got some clothes that are wool or silk, and you can't get them wet, but they have grease on them, or they're dirty, or maybe they don't smell so fresh. I'm going to clean this coat here. I just sat on. Okay, this is not going to work very well getting wet. But we can take one of these two products, which are different, but they do the same job. Fuller's Earth is bentonite clay, and it's what a fuller uses. A fuller is someone who processes wool and gets all of the lanolin and the grease out of it so it can be spun and turned into cloth. And this is diatomaceous earth. It is the microscopic skeletons of river creatures. And both of these are used to get grease out and to freshen clothes and to freshen smells. And diatomaceous earth is also used as an insecticide. And Fuller's Earth is also used in paints and in cosmetics. But what we're going to do is just rub these right into any stains or greasy things that are on the coat or on your silk dress or something like that. Just rub it in and then get your brush and just brush it right out. And the grease and the smells come out with your brush. This is what you call dry cleaning, pioneer style.